fucking with DreDay, man. The realest motherfucking cameraman in the motherfucking world, man.
Y'all see this hoe? This hoe hard. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get on that side. Hold on. And he got the beat in this hoe. Sheesh. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. This hoe hard on my mama. Y'all can't lie, bro. That perp hit different. There's a purple interior on that hoe. This hoe clean on my mama. I need this hoe. I ain't gonna count.
She said I got something to tell you, Z. But thought about us for more than tears. I don't wanna ruin your friendship. People very passionate. She said you can just take my and these are real cool family. But it's something that I gotta do.
Hey, look, he was gonna come in his regular fucking thing. You know what? I feel like it's wrong. Let me go on. Hey, but look, if you can get my music done like that, I go get 2 side downs to make the whole rock. So, DB drive. The sling, give a nigga a piece of chain and watch how much he change. Flaming blood cause he listen to Game and Wayne.
Ooh, that's hard.
Everybody's side, my bad, y'all.
Appreciate it, gang. What's up with it, bro? Y'all see this so hard on my mama, man. Look at the color of this bitch. Stop playing, bro. You know every time I see this, I gotta put it on video. Sheesh. That's hard. That's hard. Y'all see the interior in this motherfucker, man? Not a scratch in this motherfucker. Not a scratch in this motherfucker, man. That's so hard. This really what a nigga want. I know y'all keep hearing me say that, but this really what I want, bro. This really what I'ma get. Look at the shoes on this hoe. Hold on, man. Let me show y'all this. Yee, stop playing, bro. Bad motherfucker. That's his shit, though. That's his shit.
This is my wife's car, bro.
Huh?
You never seen this one. That's my wife's car.
For real?
Yeah. She always ride with me. I had to get her one.
Oh, God. Hold on. I'm going to put that on video, too. Hey, hello. That's tough, dog. He said, this is his wife's car, man. Y'all stop playing. That's tough. All right, see, I'm going to get him. Sheesh, that's hard. Sheesh, stop playing. Come on, man. Hey, his and hers, man. Y'all see that big ass F? That's hard. Stop playing. Stop playing. All right, y'all. So look, this his. This is my dog shit right here. That's his wife's shit right there, man. Which one y'all taking? I ain't gonna lie, bro. You doing the damn thing, bro. Stop playing, bitch. Shout out to my man, bro. That's Big Us, man. That's him. That's him. That fast boy right there, man. Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We outside with it.
I would give away an item, but people like money too much.
Y'all see this hoe, man? Camaro two-tone wrap. Sheesh, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. That's hard. I ain't never seen it before. Stand out. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and get him a little follow. That's hard. I ain't gonna care. But then, boom. Look at this shit. You know this gotta be his gal car. This gotta be his girl car. I see it though, the his and hers, they both got the same wrap on it. That's cute, little cute shit.
It's your boy Jay Harrison, Versace Harrison. You already know.
Hey man, I want to apologize for me not talking. As y'all can hear, they got a lot of copyright music going on, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted, bro. So y'all forgive me, man. Y'all know I like to talk that shit, man. So I can't do it in this video, man. But I appreciate y'all if y'all watching this video, man. Let's keep it going, man. Well, what in the evil shit is this, man? That ain't the most scariest, demonic, evil shit I done seen, boy, in a long, long time. I know, Cap, I don't like none of these cars. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I don't like shooting shit like this, you know what I'm saying? But I'ma do it, cause it's something to do when it's nothing to do. The hell is y'all on, man? Y'all tweaking. Let me hear it, let me hear it. What it sound like? Ah. Let me hear what it sound like. You got that demonic ass car. Sis, come back to me.
DreDay, man, we fucking with DreDay, man. The realest motherfucking cameraman, you know, in the motherfucking world, man. For real,
Appreciate
man.
it. Appreciate it.
Real, man. Fuck with him.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Say, man, it's a whole lot of holding on, man. A whole lot of holding. Say, man, y'all see that purple thing, you see that red thing. You know, shoot that back there. That's that 640 back there.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna see one of them in the city, and that's big foreign.
Yes, sir.
Foreign shit, man. Like foreign, man. You know, Drink Boulevard, man. You already know, man. We out here, man.
Yes, sir. Ooh, that hoe hard.
That's that 640, man.
That shit hard.
Simple, man.
That's hard.
You already know, man.
That's hard.
Yeah, Drink Line, you already know, man. West Road on hold, man. You already know what it is, man. Power from Texas, man. You know?
Yes, sir. That's hard. That's hard. Y'all see it, man. Stop playing. See. We'll go to the back. Ooh. Y'all know what that say, man. Come on, man. Stop playing. That's hard, man. That's hard. That's hard. They repping this hoe. I ain't gonna lie to you. Rest in peace, baby girl. Rest in peace, baby girl. Y'all got the TVs in this bitch, man. Stop playing, bro. He got the TVs in this motherfucker, man. Got the Beamer. We got the Beamer for a dreamer. I'm telling y'all, bro, down here in Houston, bro, we ride a little bit different, man. We'll put them swangers on everything, you understand me? You got it on the Beamer, and that hoe is clean. I don't care what you say in the comments. Stop playing, stop. That hoe hard, nigga. Yes, sir, we outside, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We got the flag for the Mexicanos. I got love for everybody, understand me? You understand me? Road to 100K Dre, man. Subscribe to the channel. Fuck everybody standing over here for, man. I want to apologize if I ain't been doing too much talking. I'm not gonna cap.
You still going, huh?
Got to, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I hit 100.
Yeah, you had the white charger right there.
With the red on it?
Yeah,
that hoe hard. That hoe hard. Get your ass up out of here, man. That was not it.
My boy DreDay TV right here. You already know.
You. Pushing on no car now, y'all got me fucked up.